What does Black Friday have in store for us all this year? I've got 4 Similarweb predictions you won't want to miss. Stay tuned. The big cash splashing event of the year is almost here, but 2022's Black Friday will not be your grandmother's Black Friday. With rising inflation, increased cost of living, and global supply chain issues to contend with, our first prediction is that Black Friday spending will grow less year on year than it did in 2021. But it's not all doom and gloom. Black Friday will still generate a massive week-over-week revenue increase for retailers. So where will all that e-commerce cash go? Well, items like jewelry, luggage, and formal wear are expected to experience spikes. Their year-to-date revenues are all up more than 100%. And with many people still spending more time at home due to remote working, we also expect home items like furniture and small kitchen appliances to be top sellers. Our third prediction is a pro tip for all you e-commerce vendors. Prepare product bundles for Black Friday 2022. Just look at the data. Over the past 6 months, searches and clicks for the keyword bundle have grown exponentially. Bundles benefit both shoppers and sellers alike. Customers get multiple items at a reduced price, while sellers gain exposure for their products and increase their average order value for the event. It's a win-win. And last but not least, here's our prediction number 4. You can expect some hefty discounts this Black Friday if this year's Amazon Prime Day data is anything to go by. But those discounts will vary dramatically between different categories and product price points. Electronics will tend to see the steepest discount given their relatively higher manufacturer's suggested retail price, while items on Amazon that tend to be lower priced, like clothing and personal care brands, they're likely to offer discounts on average in the low to mid-teens. Well, that's all for now, but if you want to dig into even more Black Friday predictions, be sure to check out our blog for all the juicy details. I'm Robin Morley from Similarweb. Join me here next time for more insights.